Hey traders, what's going on? Jamie Saettele here. It is June 10th, 2020. Just ended FOMC day. Powell with his rather lengthy press conference today. Um, have been kind of looking for signs of support in some dollar pairs, with dollar CAD being one of them. And I love where we are right here. So dollar CAD, again, after FOMC, we came into a huge level. That level is defined by, you've got the 786 retrace of the rally from December 31st, okay? That's going to be 33.19. You've also got actually two equal legs down from the high in March at 33.29. And then most obviously here, you've got former highs, so former resistance from November, all right? And you can see how the market reacted there in February, pulled back, consolidated, rallied through it, came back, and then we kind of took off to the upside, right? So we've come back to that level. It's a big spot. You've also got a lower parallel here from a channel, okay? So you can see how today closed with more or less a doji, um, long lower leg. So a show of support. And frankly, I like the long side here for a trade. Just against today's low, you'd be looking initially for the center line here, which is going to be, if you got there tomorrow, it'd be close to 36, but, say, 35.70 or so to be safe. You've got some daily highs up there as well. So if we go to, say, an hourly chart or even a 4-hour chart, you can see the nice bullish reversal candle that we had post Fed or during Fed and then closed after. So I do like dollar CAD higher right here, right now. Now I do want to go to a longer term chart just real quick. All right, so this is a weekly chart and we're looking at log scale. Okay, that would be linear, that would be log. Okay. Pretty incredible, the high, the resistance that we had off of the really long-term levels here, right? It's going back to the 70s, and we nailed that up here, pointed it out at the time, and we absolutely crashed from that spot. So what I want to point out, though, is you can see the channel from the 2007 low, all right? Just as a reference point, right, you have several lines within the channel. So obviously the center line is an important level to know. But you've also got the 25 line here and the 75 line here, right? Now, for whatever reason, it's just a point of reference. That's it, right? We've tended to kind of trade around that 75 line. See if you can, it's not very bright, so it's in blue now, so you can see it. We tend to trade around that 75 line, right? Support, resistance. It has been for years, okay? For a period of time last summer, into the fall, it was actually resistance. So we're at it now, we're at it again. So just kind of on a longer term basis, this, is simply a level to kind of reinforce the idea that we're going to maybe see some sort of a near term pivot here, okay? Now, if for some reason, we don't hold today's low, we continue lower in the coming days, the next level to pay attention to in dollar CAD is going to be 200-week average, okay? And that's essentially 3150. And that's been an important average for, quite some time. So you can see, we've rallied off, been held support over the last couple of years, really starting in October of 2018. All right. Okay, so that's it. Again, dollar CAD, I am looking for a bounce or the bounce that started from today's low to resume. Against today's low, focus towards, close to 136, call it 135.70 if you wish. A little pivot up here from early in the week or last week, I guess, June 3rd. And if things really do, if we really rally throughout, the next week or so, you could get up towards 138 or so. But for now, just focus on that 35.70 region. All right, so that's it. Again, Jamie Saettele here talking about dollar CAD. All right, have a good one. Bye.